Hi everyone. Firstly, I want to wish you all the very best for 2024 and to also thank you for the great support you've shown me in 2023. My channel grew nicely last year and without your interest, none of this would be possible. I appreciate every comment, every like, and every word of encouragement to keep going. So what can you expect from me in 2024? I have a lot of new, exciting things planned, new types of videos, as well as a bunch of new educational content coming soon. My main goal for this channel is to add as much value to you as possible by being authentic and transparent about what I'm sharing. By improving the quality of my videos and the content I share, I hope I can achieve this goal. The photo editing videos will continue. I love editing photos and I really enjoy the process of sharing the different ways I edit. While my main focus will be on Lightroom and Photoshop, I'll also include the other programs I use, as well as viable alternatives that I find useful. I'm busy with the production of some new behind the scenes videos where I take you on my photo trips and show you how I take my photos. These are a great way to share very specific techniques relating to the subjects I'm shooting and will provide a deeper perspective on the art of photography. I have many trips planned for this year and I'll do my best to share these with you. Along with these behind the scenes videos, the photography educational videos will continue and there will be a big emphasis on these this year. There is a lot to discuss when it comes to the art of taking photographs, and I look forward to sharing these. Composition is a very important topic in photography, and I'm excited to announce that I'm producing a new ebook on composition for wildlife photographers. This ebook should be out in the next couple of months and will provide a comprehensive look at composition for wildlife photography. Together with this new ebook, I'm also planning more videos relating to the art of composition in photography. There is so much valuable information I want to share, and I'm excited about the ebook and these new videos. I've recently made the decision to get my newsletter up and running properly. Through these monthly newsletters, I'll provide updates on anything relating to this channel, share subscriber-only discount codes, as well as share what I call micro tutorials. These will be shorter video tutorials that will be shared purely via my newsletter. I plan on sending these newsletters out at the end of each month. There may even be some freebies coming soon, so do sign up for that. I've also launched a new online one-on-one educational service. This is a great way to learn the art of photography at your own speed, tailored 100% to your specific needs. Check out the link below to my website for more info on this, as well as to sign up for my newsletter. If you have any photography related topics you would like me to cover this year, please drop those ideas in the comments below and I'll add them to my production list. As I said in the beginning of the video, I want to provide as much value to you as possible, so I would love to hear from you. That's all from me for now. I really appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.